Hi everyone, this is Bhushan Kumar. I hope you all are doing good. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to make YouTube channel logo. So if you want to make YouTube channel logo, so you have to download PixArt from Google Play Store. So I have already downloaded it. So I am going to open. It may take some time. Then tap on plus icon. Then go to backgrounds. So I like red, so I will tap on it. Then I'm going to text. Tap on text. Then type your channel logo name. Like my channel logo name is Bhushan Kumar. So I'll type B, then K. B. Then click on OK. There have tick icon. Don't have OK. I mean. Then adjust. So, color. Tap on color. White. Okay. Then thick. Then go to shadow. It will look more attractive. Go to shadow. Then click on OK. Yeah. Then again go to text. Then type your last name, like my last name is Kumar, it means K. So I'll type K. Then OK. I think my phone is a bit slow, so adjust it. Fine. Then go to color white. Then go to stroke. Then go to shadow. Then click on OK. A bit slow. I've already clicked on OK, but still not working. Now finally open. Then go to tools. Then go to shape crop. Then you can choose which one you like. So I would like this one. So you can, yeah, now fine. Then okay. Then you can give border much. Okay. Then save. So our YouTube logo, YouTube channel logo is ready. So if you like my video, please hit the like button, and if you have any suggestions, please comment on comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe to get new update. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.